Colorado 4x4 Girls Be Heard Off-Road Show that benefits Resilience 1220 is an amazing project. This annual show sends a message of hope to our kiddos, those preteens, those teenagers, those kids that are getting ready to go out into the world and figure out life.
Be Heard represents courage.
Be Heard represents strength.
Be Heard is hope.
Be Heard represents support.
Be Heard is resilience.
Be Heard represents not giving up and continuing to fight.
Be heard. Break the silence, share the light.